Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all.
Hello superstars, it's 𝗕𝗿𝗄𝗃 here again. Welcome to another tutorial video on my trading strategies. In this video I want to show you how I trade volatility 75 index with sniper entries on the 1 minute chart, right? The 1 minute time frame. And as you can see on the chart, we use this strategy on the 9th of February 2022, right? We made use of this strategy to get that sniper entry that I posted on the Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel, and it gave us let's just take a look at this. This is it. Let's take a look at this. It gave us about 1,170 pips. Look at this. It gave us 1,170 pips right there from the entry there in 17 minutes. 1,170 pips in 17 minutes. And this is mind-blowing. We've been doing this over and over and over and over again. You can see on the Instagram page, you can see the results. When I call in these trade signals, and a lot of people take these signals and they make profits, and I'm so duper excited. I get overwhelmed by the profits that people are making because a lot of persons have been helped here in this family. We helping a lot of people have their financial freedom, right? I got a message sometime. He told me that he got money from my trade signals and he used it to pay the child's school fees, right? Someone also said he got money from my trade signals and he used it to pay the mom's hospital bills. And that is freedom, guys. Having control of your time and also having control of your money. This is the blessing that we're feeling in here, right? So if you want to really get the signals like other persons and also get the results, you just want to check the description of this video. The description of this video, in the description section, you're going to see the link to join the Telegram platform. You do that and you're going to get access to that. So you just want to do that for yourself. Now, if you are new to this channel and perhaps you're a beginner who is starting your trading journey right now in the year 2022, or before now you've been trading and you've not been so successful, you've not been having that result, and you're looking to change your results, right? You're looking to go ahead, get ahead of, become at the top of your game, right? You want to level up, right? You want to go all the way up. You want to go all the way up in your trading game in 2022. Listen, guys, this is one of those videos that you want to pay a very close attention to because I'm going to put in a lot of value here. So you want to put away every distraction. Trust me, you want to put away all distractions and focus on what I'm going to show you here. The truth is, for you to be successful at trading, you got to train your eyes to see. If you can see it, you can have it. God called Abraham and he told Abraham, take a look at the sky. How many stars do you see? And Abraham said, there's a lot of them. I cannot count it, right? And God said, that is how your seed's going to be upon the surface of the earth. And today we know the story, right? So one of the things you want to do to be successful at trading is to train your eyes. Train your eyes to see. And when it comes to the chart, you just got to train your eyes to learn how to read these candlesticks. Learn how to read the candlesticks. Identify the candlesticks that causes price reversals. And another thing you really want to do is to identify the trend of the market structure, and all of those things, right? You want to identify every of these things really fast, and you're going to have the results. Like you can see on YouTube, we got my previous video on YouTube. You can see a lot of people sharing the core value, right? The core values that they got from the video. We're not joking here, guys. I can see the testimonies. Those who've been applying the strategies that I share on this community, they're really getting the value and they're sending their testimonies. You can see it live on YouTube. So you want to ensure that you go take a look at this playlist, the videos that we got here. I will attach it to this video. I'm going to put up the playlist on this video and you guys just want to go and watch it using the cards up there and you get value. So let's now dive in. Let's dive into this tutorial. I'm going to show you how I got the setup. I'm going to show you the conditions that I looked out for in the market that gave me this setup. And I'm going to show you something, right? I'm going to show you something that you have to be careful of, because the market could be tricky. I'm going to show you how I blended this 1 minute chart, how I blended the 1 minute chart with the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes to increase my confirmations, because this place where we entered the sell was actually a very risky zone, right? Let me show you guys. Let's just dive in immediately. Let's dive in immediately so that you guys are going to see. Look at this on the chart. If you look at the structure, before now, I did teach about the breakout strategy. If you've not watched that video, you want to click the card up there to go take a look at the video later on, at the end of this video. Definitely not now. Not now. You just want to watch it later. The breakout strategy, or maybe the 1 minute strategy. You're just going to take a look at that, right? Now, look at this. If you identify this market, like I said, the first thing you want to do is to identify the structure of the market, right? And in my previous video, I did tell you about the various types of structure. We got the trending market, we got the ranging market, and we also got the choppy market. But now we got a trending market because price got a high here, a lower high. And if you merge these two together and also track what is happening at the bottom, look at this. Here to here, and you extend it downwards. Guys, take a close look. Pay attention to this. Pay a close attention to this. Put away the distraction, guys. Don't let your mobile phone distract you, right? Pay attention to this. You're gonna get something huge. You just merge just these two data points. That is what you're looking for. Then you extend to the future. Now look at this. You can see this at the bottom. Merge what? The lows and extend. Merge the lows that you see in the charts, and then you extend. So one of the things you want to learn how to do in your trading game is to identify trend lines. Identify the trend lines. If you do that, you're good to go. The breakout strategy says that when you identify the structure of the market, let's say you got a prevailing trend and price breaks out of that trend, you want to enter at the pullback, right? You want to enter the pullback and rock it to the top side, placing your stop loss below the previous low or something like that. But now, take a look. If you had entered on the pullback, definitely you're going to see this consolidation. And what happens? Price is going to take you out right here, right? It's going to take you out right here. And what is it? What is it? So what are the things Sam Keys actually saw, right? You're going to ask me, what are the things that I saw in the market? What exactly, right? What exactly did I see in the market that made me tell the traders? I told the community, you guys gotta wait. And as soon as it was set for us to execute, I put a get ready, right? And we executed. And I'm going to show you this right now. And that takes us to a concept in trading, which is called order blocks. I did talk about order blocks on the 15-minute sniper strategy video. You want to go take a look at that. It's going to help you to identify that. Now look at this. In the market, we did get this trend, right? Price going downwards, going south. You can see a downtrend, right? Right now, you can see the market. This is the future. It's already played out. I'm going to show you exactly what happened here. And we got the downtrend. So everyone be like, okay, price is getting out of here. So what's happening? It has broken out. Let's go. Let's chase it, guys. Let's go. It's time to buy. But that's not what you want to do, guys. Number one thing in price action, there will always be that retracement. There will always be a retracement that will fill up a level of liquidity before price starts building up. Look at this. This was a pump to the top side. But here, this was a build, right? It builded up to this point. Retraced, continued. This was a pump. So whenever there is a pump, what happens? There's going to be something called a consolidation. And that takes me to the two activities that happens on the chart. The first activity that happens on the chart is called expansion. Price moving from the bottom to the top, or from the top like this to the bottom, is called expansion. Then the second activity is called contraction, right? Now, after a particular move, a particular swing in the market, price is always looking for a place that is comfortable. It's always looking out for a zone where it's going to get comfortable. And when price is comfortable in such cases, that's when you're going to see price giving us side-by-side candlesticks, right? That's a range appearing side by side, just like we have it on the chart now, right? Side by side. That is actually called what? A consolidation. We got the buyers and the sellers trying to decide where price is going to go to. And that is the thing. You got to now try to identify if the buyers and sellers are deciding to take it south or they're deciding to take it north. What do I mean? If they're deciding to take price downwards or deciding to take it upwards. So the side that has more momentum than the other wins the game. And let's now see. What I want to show you here is something that you got to be cautious of. You got to be cautious of this. Anytime you want to enter your setup, you always want to identify the past, the nearest past, and look for something. The structure I said, order blocks, right? Look if there's an order block in time past. On the 1 minute time frame, we can see right here that there was a level of order block. Let's look at this on the 1 minute time frame right here. Take a look at this. Let's map this out from here to the right side. I'm going to change the color of this rectangle to gold. Good. You can see there's an order block. If you extend it on the 1 minute time frame to here, you can see that price did what? It broke that zone, went upwards, and now started bouncing back. But this is not what gave us the setup. I'm going to delete this. Now let's step up to the next time frame, which is the 5 minute chart. And I'm just going to go back to that zone, that same place. Now look at this. Look at this, guys. Take a very good look at this. Take a good look at this, right? Let's look at this in one more time frame. I want to show you something. Something really, really powerful. Something really, really strong. Something strong, right? Something strong. And this is where I saw it. On the 15 minutes chart. On the 15 minute chart, I saw something. Type on the chat box. If you are following this video, right? Put on the chat box, guys. Put it on the chat box. I see it. I see it. I'm talking about order blocks right here. Put on the chat box. If you can see it, you can have it. I see it. So what did I do? I identified the market on the higher time frame. That is the 15 minutes time frame. And I looked at the time past. Just before here. Is there something like an order block that could create a huge pump towards the downside and make this turn out to be a fake breakout? I looked out for it and I saw on the 15 minutes time frame. And if you're watching my video on the 15 minutes video, the 15 minute strategy, I did tell you guys from the 15 minutes time frame, the order block starts becoming very effective. Now look at this. You can see this particular candlestick, right? Extending it to the right side. Now you could be asking, Sam, what is order block? What do you mean by order? An order block is a zone where buyers and sellers are looking to place a lot of orders. Like if it's a buy zone for an order block, right? The buyers are coming in to place a lot of orders. If it is a sell zone for an order block, the sellers are coming to put in a lot of orders. And how do they trade it? Let me just show you. For this situation, we got the price being in a sell zone, right? How does it work? Let me just quickly do this with these candles. Look at this. This is, let's say this is a bullish candlestick. I'm going to change the color of this to yellow. Oh, sorry, I'm going to change the color to blue. And look at the other candlestick here. I'm going to bring this. I'm going to make it a red candlestick, right? Look at this. This is a red candlestick. Look at this. Take a look at this. Pay close attention, guys. This is the area where I said you want to pay close attention to every detail. Now, look at this. If we got a bull coming up from the bottom, right? Price coming from the bottom, we have a bullish move. And the last bullish candlestick is followed by a bearish candlestick, a bear that covers the entire size of that the previous bullish candlestick. It gives us a price or candlestick pattern called engulfing candlestick. So this is an engulfing candlestick. Now the engulfing candlestick pattern sets the pace for what we call an order block. So look at this. All you need to just pick out is the size of the real body of what that bullish candlestick in this category right now. Look at this. I'm going to change the color of this to a golden yellow, right? A golden yellow here. Good. Right? So all you need to do is just to pick that out. Now, what that means that anytime that price comes inside of the zone in the future, there's going to be a rejection. Whenever price comes in here, there's going to be a rejection. There's going to be a rejection. Anytime it comes here, at least one time, there's going to be a rejection. So this is for a bearish engulfing candlestick. And that's why we're expecting a sell right here. The reverse is the case in a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So let's identify the order block that I saw there. You can see it. Now I saw this and I was like, okay, I can see this. beware, something's about to happen. This is a supply zone, right? This is a supply zone. There's an order block here and a lot of people looking to place some supplies. And when there's a lot of supply, price is going to go down, just like the way demand and supply operates. And that is it, guys. This is it. And I said, okay, you guys got to be cautious. Hold on. Let's see the reaction in the market. When I trade, I don't use pending orders, because this is one of the things people could do. You could just place a buy stop right here. So, okay, once price breaks this, we're going to take it up. Don't do that. Before you decide the direction of the market, the directional bias of the market, you definitely, as a trader, want to see the reaction of the candlesticks around that zone. You want to see the reaction of the candlesticks around that zone. So how do they really trade? How do you trade this order block? Look at this. The way you really trade the order blocks, I want to show you, is after you enter inside of that box, you want to place your stop loss above the block. You want to place your stop loss right above it. That is how you trade it. Okay. So let's go over to see this. What I'm trying to say is simple. Whenever price gets into the zone, beware of using pending orders. Just beware, right? Because price may not go exactly the way you said so. That is trial and error. You want to take a look at the formation of the candlesticks in that zone. You want to take a look at the formation of candlesticks. Now, right now we saw that price was doing what? Price was consolidating. Price was consolidating in that zone, right? Let me take a look at this. Price was beginning to consolidate in that zone. And it is actually a strong indication. Then the next thing you want to do is take a look at it carefully and observe, is price creating the structure for a downtrend or an uptrend? So now let me quickly show you about what we call trends. For a trending market, we have two types, one going up and the one going down. The one going up is called an uptrend, and the one going down is called what? A downtrend. You got to identify this. You got to be able to spot this out. Now, there's a rule to a trending market. The rule is simple, and I'm going to show you on this video right now. Take a look at this. For an uptrending market, price starts at the low, creates a high, and creates a higher low, higher than this, and another higher low, which is higher than this. Then up it goes. Then you have the high and higher high. So for an uptrend, we're going to be having higher highs and higher lows. For a downtrend, price starts at the top, creates a lower high, right? A lower high right here, and a low, then a lower low, a lower high, and what? A low. So we got a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and also a lower low. So for downtrend, we have lower lows and lower highs. For uptrend, we got higher lows and what? Higher highs. That is how it goes. So the rule about the trending market is, for an uptrend, right? If price wants to continue the trend, just like we have here, it is not going to break the previous low, right? So if you're entering here, your stop loss should be below this one. If price wants to continue with a downtrend, if you're entering a sell right here, your stop loss should be above here. Or if you're entering a sell here, your stop loss should be above here. It is not going to break it. And that is it. So when you start seeing formation of lower lows in the chart, then it's an indication that price is about to go short. It's about to sell. Now, you take a look at this. Even though price was trying to create an equal, almost equal high right here, but it's slightly slopey. Now I'm going to show you my pressures indicator, right? I call it a pressures indicator because I've actually mastered how this thing works, and it has been giving me a lot of results, especially on the 1 minute time frame. If you implement it, if you introduce it to your chart, if you introduce it to your setup, it's going to help you get massive results, even much more massive results. Now look at this. I want to introduce the indicator called the MACD indicator. Let's bring it in here. 12.26.9 is the settings. Now look at this. Take a close look at this. You can see that price was creating something close to an equal what? High. But on the MACD indicator, we are seeing a very strong slope. A very strong slope, right? So passionate about this, a strong slope, and the signal line, which is the red line, is way above it. It's way above the bars of that MACD. It's way above it. So it's showing us that price will definitely get to this zero level. Now take a look at this. Take a look at me. I said if you can see it, you can have it, right? So when you're trading this market, you want to pay close attention to this MACD. And you want to ensure that you are seeing that the MACD is approaching the zero level. It's got the positive, the zero level, and the negative. as soon as it approaches the 0 level, right? Once it gets to the 0 level, you can see, can you see exactly where we got in? The bar just before the 0 level, that is where we got in. As soon as it gets there, just know that the next thing you're going to see is a spill. It's going to spill over to the negative side. And that is what happened. We executed right here. You can see on the chart, right? The picture you can see on the screen now, that is exactly where we took the trade. And we watched the trade play out all the way to take profit 3, giving us 1,170 pips, right? That is where you enter. That is the what? Sniper entry. This video is talking about sniper entry. You just gotta know how to spot it. As soon as you spot it, as soon as you see it, it's gonna become your reality. So if we take out this indicator, right? We don't want to make use of the indicator. Let's just do price action right here. You're going to see that what I said actually played out. You got to see the formation of lower highs. If you can see it, you can have it. If you're seeing what I'm showing you right now, put I see it on the chat box. Drop on the comment section. I see it, right? If you can see it, you can have it. You can see the formation of lower highs. That was a great indication. And then we entered. And before you knew it, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So now I'm going to show you guys, where do you place your stop loss when using this strategy? Where do you place your stop loss? Why did we place our stop loss where we did place it? So I'm going to zoom out so that you guys see where I put a stop loss. Let's delete this. Where do you place the stop loss? You don't need to go and place it above that, above the order block. No, because we already, I'm going to delete this, right? Because we already got this. We already got the structure here, and we started seeing a structure for a downtrend right here in the market. We started seeing a structure for a downtrend right here because we got this. Then we applied that rule of a downtrending market. The rule of a downtrending market means that it says that if we got lower highs, you place your stop loss above the previous high. And that's why we got the stop loss here. You can see it in the picture, right? We got the stop loss right there. So what happens? The next thing is, where do you place your take profit? So because the market has been consolidating, for quite a while. So we just understood that, all right, anything we want to do, we should be able to take a take profit 1 as a scalp. So we looked at it. Where is the next place that there was a reversal in the market? Look at this. On the 1 minute chart, the 1 minute time frame is what we're taking a look at. You can see right here, there was a point of reversal here. You can see price pumped, got to this place, and it was reversed. So we just had to take profit here. First, after you take this profit, the way I train my people to trade, right? The community, what we do is we move the stop loss to entry to break even so that we are absolutely risk-free. No one's going to be holding their hearts with their hands, right? This happens a whole lot of time when you want to take a trade and price, like for example, if you look at this market right now, take a look at this. Price, let's say you got your sell here around here and price start consolidating. Like, oh my God, I don't want this to hit my stop loss. It happens, right? But as soon as price goes your way, and you break even now, you're fine. All right, I'm fine. All I want to do is just to ride the profits. I want to ride the wins and I'll be good to go. Let's see how it goes, right? That is the thing. You just want to break even on your trades. It's going to help you really trade with a lot of confidence, and that's good. So we took the first take profit. The second take profit is a pivot zone. You can see that this place was a previous resistance, right? And we identified that point and we knew there's going to be a reaction. It always happens. When it comes to trading volatility 75, I've seen it happen over and over again. It always happens. So we take that, and what happens? Price reacted around that place, you can see, and it came back, creating an engulfing candlestick, which took price down to our take profit 3. Why did we choose this place as a take profit 3? Because we saw that this was a support in time past. And for me, I try not to put my take profit too deep. If I place this take profit right here at the bottom of this, you're going to see that price will not get there. So I've learned to take profit even before it gets to the bottom, right? The extreme. Take profit before it gets to the extreme. It's going to help you. You can see that, right? And that is it. That is how we rocked this setup, guys. We rocked it in the Freedom Trade House channel on Telegram. You know, everyone took it and the people were happy. We're all happy. This is what we do back to back. Every week we take these signals and it really helps you. If you're a beginner and you don't want to be successful, you could come up, join the family, and you're going to be taking that. And also make sure you're watching these videos because you really want to develop your eyes to see. You want to train your eyes to see. And the only way you can train your eyes to see the structures is by watching videos like this. Breakdown of the market structure, right? breakdown of entries, breakdown of sniper entries and stuff like this, it's going to expose your mind. Your eyes is going to start seeing it, because when you see it, you can have it. You're going to start seeing it, and that way you're really going to have the massive result that you're looking for. And literally, that's how we got this set up, and everyone was happy in the community. So I've shared a lot on this video, guys. I've shared quite a number of information in this video, really free. And I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to drop in the comment section of this video your first name and where you're watching this video from, right? I want to connect with you guys. This is a family, so I want you to feel welcome to the family, right? You drop that and I'm going to respond accordingly. Then after that, I want you to do something for me. If you really enjoyed watching this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, right? Like this video, and also do one more thing. If you're new to this family and you've not subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button. Look at me. Smash it, right? Just smash it. That's what you want to do right now. You want to smash the subscribe button because it is for your own good. I'm going to be coming up here every week, and I'm going to put in this content that's going to help you improve your trading. If you're not subscribed to the channel, how will you get notified? So if you want to get that notification that I've uploaded a new video, smash the subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on the notification bells. Then check the description or the comment section. I'm going to pin it on the comment section, the link to join our Telegram platform. It's for your own good, a lot for your own good. If you want to be successful in 2022, you got to decide who you follow, right? Because that is the starting point. Who you follow, you get influenced by who you follow, whether you know it or you don't know it, right? You want to start following those who have the result. In Nigeria, we say follow person with no road, right? You want to follow someone that has result, that knows what he's doing and what he's saying, and you can see it as proofs, right? You guys want to do that, and you're going to have the massive result. My name remains Sam Keys, your own man. You can call me the superstar Sam Keys, right? And I'm always here to help. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on my next video.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.